TRAMotion, software for calculating envelopes. Vehicle crossing, video number 1, preparation of the tracks using AutoCAD. In cases where a vehicle crossing analysis is required, TRAMotion offers appropriate features to perform this task precisely. In this video, we will show you the steps, how CAD data is correctly prepared for such an analysis. Let's say we intend to perform a vehicle crossing analysis for a particular tracks. For this instructional video, we focus on 2 parallel tracks. To start, all unnecessary elements will be concealed, so that only the 2 sections under investigation are left. Upon closer inspection, it becomes clear that these sections consist of several individual segments. As TRAMotion operates solely on data imported from AutoCAD using polylines, the tracks need to be prepared accordingly. To start, we will outline the first section with a closed polyline. We will use the AutoCAD boundary function for this purpose. The island detection is disabled and the desired area is selected by mouse click. Subsequently, AutoCAD automatically generates a surrounding polyline. Only part of this line matters for TRAMotion calculations. The remaining segments are removed. This procedure is subsequently repeated for the second segment of the route. The 2 newly generated polylines are now transferred to their respective layers. Following the TRAMotion convention is crucial in this process. The track axis should be placed in the tram axis layer, since the sections imported into TRAMotion must be continuous. We use a straightforward method. In the initial calculation, just one segment is shifted to the active tram axis layer. The second remains hidden in a layer that is invisible to TRAMotion for now. Before saving the data, the track sections must be properly aligned to ensure correct processing. The polyline under investigation should be horizontal and ideally begin at 0. That is horizontally from left to right. However, this requirement can be handled somewhat flexibly, so the origin doesn't need to be exactly at 0. As a result, the second section stays the same, which guarantees that the relative positioning of both tracks remains intact. After complete preparation, the file is saved in DXF format. This completes the CAD preparation for calculating the first section, and the analysis of the envelope can begin in TRAMotion. Next, the layer swap is performed to allow for the calculation of the second section. Both calculation results are shown in the tab Multi-Results Comparison. There, the distances between the 2 height curves are clearly visible. Further information and evaluations can be found in the next video, Vehicle Encounter number 2.